So here's a quick tip about air filters, regarding air filters. I know it's summertime, everyone wants to replace their filters. It's good, it's healthy. You know, there's health benefits, there's money savings, there is environmental benefits, all the good stuff. But this one here, as you can see, it's a fiberglass, and it's actually provides less air filtration, right? So less particles, dust, dirt, pollens, whatever is filtered out of the air with this one. However, with this one, you get maximum airflow, or more airflow. I think you get the most airflow possible with a filter like this, right? More airflow, maximum airflow. All right, so if your system is weak, it's struggling, you don't have enough airflow going through your AC unit, this will work for you. This one right here, it's more filtration, right? More filtration. You filter out more dust, more dirt, more pollens, all that stuff, all the good stuff. Like really good filtration. But the problem with this one here, it creates more restrictions. By filtering more stuff, the particles in the filter, or the filter particles, or the filter media is way more closely knit. So it's going to create more restriction for the air to pass through the unit. And if your system is not strong, or if you don't have a modern AC unit like this one right here, see, this one right here is like modern. This is a late model, or R14A. You can see it's shiny, it's brand new, pretty much brand new. All right. If you have an older unit, you might want to stick with this bad boy right here, even though it does less filtration. But just change them frequently, right? Change them frequently. I mean, it still does work. Frequent changes will help. Because you put this one right here in an older unit, you're gonna probably end up, damaging your unit or causing harm or less performance, because it struggle to move to get over this restriction that this creates, right? Boom, 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 a lot of restrictions, right? That's what this one does, even though it does more filtration. Now a newer system, yeah. I mean, if you're not sure, consult a pro, all right? Ask a question. Don't just go put in you could try it if you like, but I wouldn't recommend that. I would just say that if you want to upgrade to a more efficient filter, I would say consult with a professional first, with a pro. All right. Now, if you want to know how to install these filters correctly in your AC unit, even in this unit, if you got something like this, or another setup, residential style, video in the link, I'm gonna leave it. All right. And if it's not going to be in this link, it's going to be there soon. I'm gonna upload it. Check it out. Did I miss anything? No, I think I'm good.